What's wrong, Pinky? What's wrong, man? You see the treats? The treats? The treats? Treats? Come on, buddy. The treats? Treats? Come on, buddy. He mad as shit at me. Come on, buddy. Oh, man. What, boy? Come here. He mad, right? What's wrong, buddy? I ain't never seen no cat come after you like that, though. I'm sure I had about 13 cats at one time. I told you I'm a cat man. I had them my whole life.
Yeah.
I had 13 cats in my whole at one time. I never seen them come like that after you like that. What's wrong, buddy? Holy shit, man. I told you, boy, he wild as shit, ain't he? I had to take the camera on him, man. He gets so bad, man. You say he like that with all company. He don't like nobody near him if they knew.
He don't bother my mom.
But she been around a long time.
Yeah.
What's wrong, buddy?